Another tool we use in our office is, this is called a Hypervolt. It's by a company called Hyperice, and we use it to help get into some of these deep areas and help loosen up any tightness. And so how it works is basically it's just going to vibrate and percuss into the injured area and help to loosen up any knots or adhesions that have formed in that area. So we're going to turn it on. Basically we're going to find some of those tender areas. We want to avoid working over any area where there's actually bone or any nerves. And we're just going to be really careful around the sciatic nerve through here. The advantage of this over, say, like a foam roller is it can get in much deeper. It's real quick too. You can work a whole big area in much less time. There's 3 different settings. I usually will use the first or second setting. So we're going to go up 1. There's the second setting. It feels good for the patient. It feels like it kind of hurts good. It feels like we're getting into the injured area, just getting a releasing of that tissue. Well, again, very different sensation than foam rolling. And you can be real specific. There's 3 different attachment heads that come with this product, depending on what you're looking for. And again, we can work wherever we need to. If we're trying to hit more IT band or more quadricep, really just target that tissue really well with this. So if you're looking for a product to improve your mobility, I would highly recommend the Hypervolt. It can be used throughout the body and works really well. If you have any questions, give our office a call at 703-912-7822 or visit us at novachirowellness.com.